Hi, and welcome to Cat Scratch Kitchen. When it comes to parties and potlucks, there's one appetizer that disappears faster than all the rest, and today we're making it. This creamy, cheesy ranch dip is the ultimate crowd pleaser. It's thick, it's savory, and it's loaded with cheddar and fresh green onions. The secret is in the chill time, letting those ranch flavors really meld into the cream cheese and sour cream. With only 6 ingredients, this is my go-to when I need something high impact with very little effort. So grab your apron, your favorite chips, and some fresh veggies because we're diving into this 5-star favorite right now. We'll start with a large bowl. And I've got 8-ounce block of cream cheese that's softened. I've got half a cup of mayonnaise. And I've got 1 cup of sour cream. Now this we're going to whip together until it's nice and smooth, and then we'll add the other 3 ingredients. Okay, it's nice and smooth, only took a second. And now we're going to add 2 cups of shredded cheddar, 2 green onions, nicely diced up, chopped up. And then we're going to add 1 packet of ranch dressing mix, or if you have our mix that we made ourselves, we're going to add 3 tablespoons. Now I'll put a link in the description for this recipe. It's just as good as the packaged stuff, and it's so nice to have it all around all the time and not have to worry about it. Now we're just going to stir this all together. I'm not going to whip it because I don't want to break everything down. I'm just going to stir it together. Now that it's thoroughly mixed, I'm going to put it in a container or leave it in this container, cover it, put it in the fridge. We want to allow it to meld, and you're going to need some chill time. You need at least an hour, up to overnight. So you can make this ahead of your gathering, ahead of your 4th of July celebration, and have it ready to go.